بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Dear viewers, today we are going to discuss about the word appreciate with its meanings and synonyms.
Appreciate. Word forms: third person singular present tense appreciates, present participle appreciating, past tense, past participle appreciated.
1. Verb. On the off chance that you like something, for instance a piece of music or great food, you like it because you recognize its good qualities. In time you'll appreciate my YouTube channel.
Synonyms: enjoy, like, value, regard, respect, prize, admire, treasure, esteem, relish, cherish, savor, rate highly.
Opposites: scorn, disdain, denigrate, belittle, disparage.
2. Verb. On the off chance that you like a circumstance or issue, you get it and understand what it includes. She appreciates that cooperation with the police is part of her professional duties.
Synonyms: be aware of, know, understand, estimate, realize, acknowledge, recognize, perceive, comprehend, take account of, be sensitive to, be conscious of, sympathize with, be alive to, be cognizant of.
Opposites: misunderstand, be unaware of, underrate.
3. Verb. If you appreciate something that somebody has accomplished for you or will accomplish for you, you are grateful for it. I'd appreciate it if you wouldn't unsubscribe my channel.
Synonyms: be grateful for, be obliged for, be thankful for, give thanks for, be indebted for, be in debt for, be appreciative of. Opposites: be ungrateful for.
4. Verb. On the off chance that something that you own increases in value throughout some undefined time frame, it's worth increments. I don't have any confidence that houses will appreciate in value.
Synonyms: increase, rise, grow, gain, improve, mount, enhance, soar, inflate. Opposites: fall, deflate, depreciate, devaluate.
Appreciate that. We appreciate that teaching to ladies is an important job. Appreciate what, how or why. It is difficult to appreciate how bad the situation had become.
Grammar patterns with appreciate. You say, I appreciate your advice. I appreciate having your advice. Don't say, I appreciate to have your advice. Using the progressive appreciate is not used in the progressive in meanings 1, 2, and 3. You say, I appreciate what you are saying. Don't say, I am appreciating what you are saying. Appreciate is used in the progressive in meaning 4, the value of his work is still appreciating.
Having said this, she can appreciate why these are included. Many SMEs find it difficult to access technology and often do not appreciate how they might benefit from it. Students need an introduction to the topic, and may need background information to appreciate what they will see on site.
I'd appreciate it if she'd appreciate it if you'd refrain from speaking for her.
We hope that you have learned a lot from this video. If yes, kindly like, share, and subscribe with comment. Do not forget pressing the bell icon so that you get notification of coming videos. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.